Keep going, keep going, keep going. Okay, I want to know deeper. Deeper, deeper, deeper.
It is.
Look, don't argue. Just do as I say, okay? All right, who's the boss? Good, okay? So, my amigos, good morning. That's right. I was supposed to take a class tomorrow. It's 4 days at the Groundlings, but I got a booking at 11 o'clock tomorrow morning. So I'm actually going to leave today. It's an unexpected booking, and I didn't audition for it. So of course, how can I say no? And that booking will pay for this entire trip. All of the golf, all of the classes, the Airbnb, the food, everything will be covered with this one booking. Nice, I have to take it. I mean, the whole purpose of taking these classes is to book jobs. So I'd be crazy not to take the booking. Okay. That's it, my friends. That is the end of the road. That was the third class, and for me it was the best class because I think I finally began to hit a comfortable spot in terms of acting and creating characters and listening. And I struggled in the first two, especially in yesterday's class. I just wasn't listening very well. I was very anxious, and I think that is something that the audience can feel. I played this character named Federico, who was an effeminate man who is very similar to hello, this is Federico, you have called Mattel, I am your bilingual specialist. And it was just a very comfortable character for me, and it got a lot of laughs. Also, the two ladies that were in the scene with me are very strong actresses, and that helped a lot. It really elevated my performance. Just a great scene. Look, I'm on the corner of La Brea and DeLongpre Avenue, and this is the site of Charlie Chaplin's studio. You can see the old car turn. It made a left-hand turn right here, and then Charlie parked right here and then walked into that door, which is no longer accessible. But this is where Charlie Chaplin walked in this video, right? And now it is the Jim Henson Studios. This is where Jim Henson records and produces a lot of his content. But this used to be Charlie Chaplin's studio. You'll see a picture of Charlie right here. Give me just a second. There he is. Charlie Chaplin. How cool is that? If you look here, it says Charlie Chaplin written right here, and he put his footprints right there and then right here, right? Now about this is apparently when they sold off this studio, the original Red Skelton removed the original steps and he moved them into his Palm Springs home. I gotta get back to my car because I hope I'm not getting a ticket. I just want to record more because I'm just obsessed with it, but you know, they're not gonna let me in there. Eventually I'll be allowed in here legitimately, but I have to work up to it. I drive by here every time I come to the Groundlings, and I didn't know it. I didn't realize that this is Charlie Chaplin's studios. That's all I got for now, my amigos. Vista Valencia in Valencia, California, and I was thinking of going back to Rancho Park Golf Course, but that is 30 minutes in the opposite direction of where I'm headed, so it's not a good idea at all. So that's why I decided to come over here instead and just get some work in, some practice. Oh yeah, my amigos.
You're trying to teach your right foot, you're saying, do it, right foot, do it. Tell you to do it.
Oh, I can't.
Don't do that.
Sorry.
A little bit fast. Okay, graceful, look in front of the ball. Choke up a little bit. Choke up a little bit. Nice. Wow. Look at that. Yeah, that was good. Yeah, you're not lining up to the rod, because remember, you're aiming at the green, but what you're doing actually is your feet are aiming that way. So that's where you're consistently hitting it. You think you're hitting it wrong, but you're not. You're just not lining up your feet to this. So let's put symmetry, your toes. Good. There you go. Perfect.